Final event. For Reason took out the big one here tonight. Green light is on. They're off in the last. Read About Lexi got out pretty well on the inside and is punching through to lead. The favourite didn't follow it through. Whiter shade of pale. McCarthy took the option of easing back off its back, and it goes through and leads Read About Lexi. On the outside without cover early was Auntie Kim. Now getting through on the inside, Miss Rixon's going to get right onto the back of the leader, and still trapped out there deep was Miss Nichols, 3 wide coming up towards the turn. And now coming up quickly, Hey Porsche is going to go 4 wide around them, and Whiter shade of pale, who ease back at the start, gets to the outside, and it's coming around as well. So there's plenty of early moves coming down to the judge. 29.6 the first quarter. Hey Porsche moved up outside of Read About Lexi. Whiter shade of pale come fast around them, sprinting up quickly now to look for the front and gets it at the judge. Behind them on the inside, Miss Rixon. They're followed then by Miss Nichols and Auntie Kim. After a length then going to the inside, Mustang Jet, All Night Kiss getting a fair way back with Hotel Del Air and Coffee Bay back at the tail, and Stella Grey back about third last. They go into the back now, and the first quarter goes up in 29.6, and it's Whiter shade of pale in charge now. The favourite took over out by a length. Read About Lexi's gone up to is now finished up behind the leader, and going up the outside, Miss Nichols, and Miss Porsche's over on the inside. Auntie Kim trails up on the 1-1, then All Night Kiss on its inside is Miss Rixon. It's got shuffled back to be 4 back from Stella Grey inside Hotel Del Air. Mustang Jet is second last, and 2.5 last of all to Coffee Bay. The third quarter about to come up. That second quarter in 29, and past the quarter pole in 29.4. Whiter shade of pale is clear. Whiter shade of pale is clear by length. The Read About Lexi on the outside pushed along. Miss Nichols dropping out. Then Auntie Kim to the outside, and Hey Porsche still saving ground the pegs, but it's Whiter shade of pale kicking clear round the turn. 2 lengths on Read About Lexi coming off its back. Hey Porsche goes through to third. The leader though is Whiter shade of pale. Read About Lexi's not going to pick it up. Unbeaten in 3 starts, Whiter shade of pale. 3 quarters, Read About Lexi. 4 lengths away third, Hey Porsche. Fourth close, All Night Kiss or Mustang Jet, who got home from the back. They'll followed in then just behind those in. Drifting back, Stella Grey, and then a gap to Hotel Del Air. Well back in the field was Auntie Kim, and the last couple to arrive were right back to the tail, Coffee Bay and Miss Nichols, with that last quarter 29.1.